Okay, so our friend Jackie here is going to show us how to get a coconut down off the tree.
Go, Jackie!
Well, he's already got footholds.
Styling.
Still, you need a good back. Oh, oh, jeez. I hope you know first aid, Mick, because like the spinal sort of. Oh, wow, look how strong those fronds are. Always testing the nuts. Looking for the one with the most milk and water. Oh.
Dua. Tiga. Empat. Nice.
One for the driver.
Thanks, Jackie.
Well, that was easy enough.
He cuts them up though too. He's good with the machete.
Okay, can't wait to see. Down he comes. Be careful. Watch that last step. Oh, good job. Good job, Jackie. Right. Okay, so now we grab our nuts. To the nut cutting station. Grab the special nut cutting tool here. Nice, nice.
I would have already chopped my finger off by now.
So you need to know how deep you're going.
There it is, there's the shell.
Finds the shell, it just breaks it. And there we have. Ah, beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so he's cut it really nicely here. So I can just pop the top out. And you can see the milk inside there. Or the coconut juice. Oh, there's plenty of it. There's heaps. Oh. Slightly effervescent. You know, beautiful coconut taste. Sensation. Good job. And best of all, that part that you just ripped out the top, you can eat. Tastes so good. Delicious.